Summer snowstorm expected to hit several East Idaho communities starting tonight. A summer snowstorm is in the forecast for East Idaho, with Lemhi County and the Island Park, Spencer, Wayan, Arco and Palisades areas all expecting snow Friday night through Saturday morning. It's mid-September and still summer, but snow is in the forecast Friday night through Saturday morning in parts of East Idaho. It's mid-September and still summer, but snow is in the forecast Friday night through Saturday morning in parts of East Idaho. Lemhi County's higher elevations could see up to 8 inches of snow, while up to 2 inches could fall in the county's lowlands, the National Weather Service reported. All of Lemhi County, including the city of Salmon, is under a winter storm warning because of the expected summer snowstorm. The mountainous Island Park area could receive up to 2 inches of snow, while the Arco, Spencer, Palisades and Wayan areas could see less than a half inch, the Weather Service said.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.